Let's compare the online virtual shamanic drum with the real thing.
Firstly, we're going to take a look at the virtual shamanic drum, and it does look epic. Whilst there's no beater or hand that actually strikes the drum, we could imagine that our mouse, or when we tap on our phone and click on the instrument, that we're actually striking it. And the way that it moves from side to side is not really correct of an actual drum. We would see more of maybe a slight indentation from where we're striking it, more than movement. That was quite bassy. That was a nice high-pitched tone. So we've got 3 sounds, they're looping. The sounds are actually really beautiful. Quite relaxing, but not quite the heartbeat tone that you would get with a real shamanic drum.
Now if we take a look at the real shamanic drum, striking the surface is completely different to clicking a mouse or tapping a phone screen. Depending on where we hit the drum, the tone varies quite a lot. And obviously we have the option of playing with a beater, which makes the drum produce more resonant tones. Those vibrations are extremely loud. Even through the video, you may not be able to gauge exactly how they feel. I can hear the sound, but my body can feel the vibrations, and it just gives you a kind of feeling, like a meditative feeling. Kind of goes through you, and I don't know how to explain it other than you feel it. If you want to try the virtual shamanic drum, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. And if you want to know which drum is right for you, then I'd highly recommend checking this video on screen now.